Hello and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj, and I'm once again back here to share with you few beautiful messages out there when it comes to self-love, when it comes to happiness, when it comes to living that higher purpose in life, when it comes to beating the perfectionism, when it comes to beating procrastination. You name it, I have the reply, I have the answer. Okay, so with this, let's start with today's episode straight away. Just think of what if you treated yourself like someone you were madly in love with. Imagine what you could do with all that positive energy. So with this, here's the strong message for you. Stop beating yourself up for not being perfect and start loving yourself the way you would with someone you care about. Friends, I hope you all realize that 2023 is not far away. And if you think that 2023 is going to be a magical year for you all, I think you should remind yourself of a few small golden nuggets to help you get to that particular zone where you need to realize that these 5 elements are so important for you to make any year your best year ever. And you're only growing and growing and growing happily, feeling loved, feeling self-loved, and feeling motivated and inspired in your life. First is to take ownership for your actions. Second, change your habits to support your growth. Inculcate new routines, new habits that is in alignment with your growth, because at any cost, your growth is non-negotiable. It's non-negotiable. Third, make health and happiness a priority. Fourth, learn to say no and develop healthy boundaries. And surround yourself with positive people. Everything is about the way you think. From the second you wake up to the last moment before you fall asleep, it's all up to you. Your thoughts, your feelings, your attitude, the way you see the world, the way you react. Every present moment is all up to you. Just remember that you are stronger than you think. The painful moments that hurt you in the past were meant for you. They broke you down so you could become stronger than ever before. I know it was hard. I know you would not wish it on anyone else. But I also know you would not change a thing. Because of the learnings, those hardships, those hurts, those feelings of anguish, resentment, fear, all those negative emotions combined up has made you the person that you are today. Heal yourself up. Get yourself up. And then chase that growth that you are destined for. At the end, I would only say all the very best. All the very best for you to start working on yourself right now, so that you are actually acknowledging the fact that your 2023 and every other year holds your vision in reality, holds your dream life in reality, and you are working to make that happen. You are committed to make that happen. With this, I'll sign off for now. Hope you have enjoyed this episode. And I always say, I would love to connect with you all beautiful people. So, in case you feel like you need to have a discussion with me on any topic that I have shared till now, any episode specifically, or any topic when it comes to personal development, when it comes to self-love, happiness, gratitude, affirmations, anything. As long as you think something is going to help you in your future personal growth, in your future professional growth, I am here to help you. I am here to help you navigate your way through those challenging times and help you see the end result, help you see the final destination where you are meant to be. So, do not give it a second thought. I am here for your help. I am here to help you. Your self-love lifestyle mentor. So, with this, again, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Share the podcast with your friends and family and your amazing network. Right? And till next time, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay self-loved. Bye-bye.